Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And this is a 5-week series. We're actually in week 3 right now. And this week we're cleaning and organizing our kitchen. So come with me and let me show you what I've accomplished so far. Let's get started. Awesome all-purpose cleaner to clean the island. I just spray and wipe. I've already done that, of course. And I had cleaned the stove as well, the countertop here. So this is all done. Then the next step is to clean the rug, vacuum the rugs, and wipe the floors. So I'll do that in just a few more minutes. First, I cleaned off the table and the counter, and of course I vacuumed the rug, and I had also wiped the floor a little bit earlier. So next step is to empty the dishwasher. So let's go and empty the dishwasher right now. The dishes right now from the dishwasher. I've just emptied the dishwasher, and so I'm putting them in the cupboards right now. So okay, so the dishwasher I've unpacked. Let me show you what step 3 is right now. First, I'm going to use the stainless steel cleaner and polish to spray onto the refrigerator. And then I'm going to be wiping it down in this motion here, all the way down. Then I'm going to be using a dry cloth, microfiber cloth, to polish the area here. So I've just finished cleaning the exterior of this refrigerator. Both ovens were cleaned before. The microwave was also cleaned, and the counters were cleaned. The island was also cleaned. So this is an overview of what the kitchen looks like now. Everything is clean and organized. This is an overview of the kitchen. Last week we did the Greatroom, or the family room. The week prior to that, we did the foyer. And next week, we'll do the clothes closet. So here we are, almost in the family room that was cleaned and organized last week. And this is just an overview of our kitchen that I just finished cleaning. Everything looks sparkling clean, very neat, very organized. let me encourage you to go over to Kimberly's channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like, of course, after you've watched the various videos. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, I just want to say a big thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Again, thank you so much for watching. And I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday in our next video. Remember, next Tuesday we're going to be doing the closets, and that you really don't want to miss. Don't forget, come back next Tuesday and see what's in store.